2023 GMC Sierra 2500HD. This pickup truck offers 2 full rows of seating for premium comfort. You'll look forward to your commute every day with features such as side view mirrors with turn signals, Wi-Fi hotspot, satellite radio, navigation, multi-zone air conditioning, 4-wheel drive, heated side view mirrors, leather seats, backup camera, passenger seat adjustable lumbar support, memory seat, heated rear seats, tinted windows, running boards and/or side steps, power driver seat. Schedule a test drive now before this model is gone.